Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about EURJPY. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect for this market, then I'll move to the commitment of traders analysis to see what institutions in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is in a quite strong uptrend. The market, of course, has created multiple monthly higher highs and higher lows. So clearly we are in an uptrend, and all this uptrend is fueled by strong institutional buying. And we will be speaking about this institutional buying in just a few moments when we move to the commitment of traders analysis. But for now, let's keep in mind that the market is in this strong uptrend and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, we can see a very similar thing. We can, first of all, notice how the market was stuck in this range. We had the top of the range here and the bottom of the range here. So for quite some time, the market was moving in between these two levels, respecting the bottom as support and the top as resistance. And then we had the breakout to the upside. Now, of course, when you have a range which has been holding the market for some time, when you see the breakout either to the upside or to the downside, usually the market, in fact, starts a strong impulse phase to the upside. And right now we are still in that impulse phase, again, as we will now see, with strong institutional buying and this massive bullish momentum. So also the weekly, everything has been happening exactly as you would expect in a situation like this, in which you have a break, you have a breakout away from a weekly range. Let's keep this in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, I spoke about EURJPY just a few days ago when the market was around this area. I explained all the reasons for which from here I was expecting this rejection to the upside, which is in fact exactly what the market just gave us. And by the way, I will link in description that previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. But at the moment, what do we have? Well, here in the daily, we have a market which has just created an overextended W formation. Now, usually when you see an overextended W formation like this one that we have right here, what you expect is first a correction and then the continuation to the upside. Now, the correction is usually to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. In this case, it would be around this area here. So this zone that is in between the 0.3 to 50% and 0.618 retracements. So there's a good probability from the usual pattern to see a correction to this zone, and then inside of here to see more institutional buying, which at that point could push the price even higher, completing a daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Now, why do I say even more institutional buying? Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. If we move to the commitment of traders analysis and go and see what is going on for the euro, what we can see is that institutions have been buying the euro aggressively. We went from having 235k net positions all the way up to having 268k net positions. So a huge increase of the longs, meaning that institutions are buying the euro aggressively. At the same time, they are also closing shorts, going from 162k all the way down to 129k. So institutions are adding longs and closing shorts for the euro, therefore making the euro stronger. Now, since we're analyzing EURJPY, let's go and see also what we have on the JPY. But before we do that, already from the net positions, it was very easy to see that institutions were buying the euro because we went from 73.5k net positions all the way up to 138k net positions. So that was already very clear. So let's keep in mind that institutions are buying the euro and go and see what is going on the JPY. Already from the net positions, we can see that clearly institutions are shorting the JPY, going from 68K net positions all the way down to 17.4K net positions. This means that institutions overall have shorted the JPY aggressively, increasing their shorts from 100K all the way up to 167K. So let's keep in mind that institutions are buying the euro, shorting the JPY, therefore longing euro JPY, of course. Let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in a situation like this, what do we have? Well, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection higher away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, everything that you see me share here on YouTube is just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to my website, which you find linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to the best mentorship program in the world. You can get all my courses ranging from the very basics of charting all the way to the more advanced topics. You also have the possibility to gain access to the trading station software with the Telegram notification integrations, one-on-one private mentoring directly with me, the COT data software, which is the software that you often see me use in my analysis, and you also have the possibility to gain access to the entertaining live trading show. So essentially a live stream of all my trades as they're happening live every day. So my entries, exits, how I manage the positions, all streamed live every single day essentially in this Telegram channel, which is obviously private just for members. You also have the possibility to gain access to all my EAs. So essentially all my strategies, which you can then customize to your own preference. And here you see breakdowns of each and every one of my strategies, including a 10-year historical backtest of the strategy on high quality tick data. So essentially backtested on live charts. So basically, I would suggest that you go and check these ones out. And if you continue to scroll down past the testimonials, you will see that you have the possibility to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout process. So I really suggest to at least go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education, and I will see you in my next video.